Today we are exploring Lumberman's Monument. And look it. There's lots of hiking. Look it. You can actually hike to the Springs 3.5, Memorial 1.75, or you can do the Dune Trail and then the high banks hiking trails and to Cook Dam. And this one, if you come here, this is a must, but it is 242 stairs with benches along the way so you can sit and rest when you come back up if you get short-winded. But definitely do this. This is breathtaking. I love it. And then look at picnic tables. It's beautiful here. Even if you don't go down these stairs right here, you can get to in a wheelchair, and that site is even beautiful. So you could even check out this site right here if you can't go down the stairs and come back up safely. There's lots of stuff to do, and make sure you stop this if you have an ORV or if you're going to be driving in a van up around these roads, because some of these roads are not completely marked, or if they are, you need to know how they're marked for whether or not a vehicle can be on it, or if it's just a ORV, and there's different regulations for like 50 and over or 50 and under. So make sure you know what to do and know the rules right here. More than use than, wait a minute, right there. Vehicles used on motorized trails may not be more than 50 inches wide. So, like them rules. Guys, look at this view. It's so beautiful. Oh, all right. Definitely if you come to the Lumberman's monument, you will get some exercise going up and down these stairs. I'll have to look and see how many, but I think somewhere I seen where it said how many steps there were. All the way down there. Look at this view, guys. We're almost down to the bottom, but look at how pretty it is here. It's definitely a lot of stairs to go back up. So I'm coming down the stairs here and I can just hear, sounds like a waterfall, but it's actually just a little stream of water. But that little stream is sure making some noise. And I don't know if if it will come through on my microphone. It's absolutely beautiful sound. And look at the purple flowers. So pretty. And then look at the beautiful view, guys. I know I keep saying what a beautiful view, but my gosh, every spot here is beautiful. I love the tree lines. You can start to see our colors changing, some reds, some oranges, some yellows. In the next couple weeks, the changing of the leaves are gonna be prime event. And up here is going to be beautiful and busy. Now we're walking to the sand dune that you've seen in the couple clips back. And this will be to the sand dunes lookout. Thank you for watching this video, and please check out this playlist.